So hi everyone, I'm Kayyum, and in this video we will going to see that how to drop a column from a table inside Oracle database. So for this we will going to use some alter query, so that we can alter the table and drop the entire column from the table. Okay, so for this we are having a ready-made table. For this we are having a table which is student1 as name. Okay, so here you can see that we are having three columns inside this table. Okay, so uh, for this example we are taking college name column and drop this column from this table. Okay, so how we are going to do, let's see. Dropping column from the about table. Okay, so for this we will going to use alters query and then the table, and then alter table, then the column table name which is student 1, then give it set, then give unuse, then the column. So this is what will be helping us in this way. In this example, this will going to make this column as unused. Okay, the status of this column will become unused and it will be invisible in the table when you query after this execution. Okay, and then the column name, which is in this case is college name. Okay, done. So this is how we will going to make this column and as unused. Okay, so how we will going to do that: alter, then table name, then use this. Okay, then set unused column, and then the column name which is college name. Okay, in our case which is college name. So let me enter, done. So again we will going to query it and see that whether whether the changes was taken place or not. So you can see that after execution of the this query, our table, our college name, or our college name column has been invisible from our table, but it has not been dropped till now. So for dropping it, so finally for dropping it, we will use again the alter table, then the table name. Okay, and here finally we will use drop and use columns. Okay, done. Alter table student1 drop unused columns. So this will finally drop the column from the table. Okay, so let me create student1. So finally we has been drop the entire column from the table also. So in this way we can do it. Okay, so this is not a lengthy process, and it won't take much time as compared to there is another way also: alter table name, then mention drop, and here column name. Okay, column name. So in this way also you can drop the column, but the drawback for this is that you need to wait for long if the data inside the column or the table has been used by the backend applications. So in that case the column will the table become locked and you cannot use the table while the operation is going on. So for preventing this we can use these two ways. Okay, so finally we can use below, we can use them below queries. Okay, to do it, let me show you that: alter table, then table name. Okay, And here set unused column, and here finally column name. Okay, let me show you that alter table name, set unused column, then column name. Okay, so this is the first query, and the last one which we need to execute after the above query is that drop unused columns. So this is the final query. So these are the two queries which will be helpful for dropping a column from a table. So hope guys this will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching.